What is up guys, I'm Shivam Pandey and you're watching the Techpreneurs. So as you all know, I've been working on the second update of my game, that is Piggy Tries Again, which is a run and jump hardcore platformer. In this devlog, I'll share all the progress that I have made since I posted the last devlog. So it's gonna be fun and let's get straight into the video. So let's start by talking about the levels of the game. In the previous version, there were just 20 levels in the game, but now in this new version, I have increased the level count from 20 to 50 different levels, and as the number of levels are increased, so the difficulty level of the game would not be that steep, and by the time you reach a very hard level, you would have a good control over the game. I have distributed the levels in two different chapters, starting from a very easy chapter in which you encounter certainly easy levels and a very hard chapter in which you will encounter comparatively hard levels of the game. The levels would start off with a simple run and jump mechanism, but as you move on further, there would be a number of new mechanisms that are introduced into the game, such as laser beams or missiles or moving missiles or falling platforms, challenging levels, boss fight and much more. These new mechanisms would keep you entertained throughout the gameplay. The next thing I'm gonna talk about is about the challenge levels. So between different levels in the game, I've added some levels that are so-called the challenge levels of the game, and these levels are very different from normal levels of the game because these are not horizontal levels, but these are the vertical levels of the game. So you have to climb up vertically while platforming in these levels, and you have to reach to the top of it. And while doing this, you have to be very fast, otherwise you will run out of time and you will die. So these levels require a perfect timing, perfect skill and perfect speed for you to clear it. Also, it will add a bit of diversity to the game. Now, after you have completed the normal levels and the challenging levels of the game, for each chapter you will be finally introduced to a boss fight after you have completed all the other levels of that chapter. The boss would be same for all the boss fight, but its move would be different from chapter to chapter. Like in one chapter it might be shooting at you, or in the other chapter it might be running at you and things like that. And you have to collect some randomly spawned apples to reduce the health of the boss, and finally when the health of the boss reaches 0, the boss dies and you can proceed on to the next level of the next chapter. The arena or the level in which you will find the boss would be a closed level with no endpoints from where you can proceed, and the end would only be spawned when you defeat the boss. So this way it would add a new element to the game, a boss fight to the game, and will make your experience much better. The third thing that I added in my game, as somebody suggested earlier, was the level system. In this, I have created different cards for each level, and each card contains a screenshot of that particular level. The number of the level and the screenshot of each level are mentioned in the card, and also the chapter in which this level lies is also specified. So now you can play from where you have left the game the last time, or you can go back to play any other level that you have previously completed or you have previously cleared. This would make it very easier for you to navigate between levels, and it will also show you how much progress you have made in this game. Also, to not make the players very frustrated playing a same level again and again, I have created a system in the game in which each time you clear a level, you will get a diamond in your collection, and using those diamonds you can unlock the next level of your game, obviously if you have the certain amount of diamonds in your bag. This would make a good relation between completing a level and getting diamonds and using those diamonds to unlock other levels in which you are stuck and you do not want to play. This would make the game a bit less frustrating for the players. And finally, to spice things a bit more and to make the use of the diamond mechanisms a bit more, I have made a big changes in the leaderboard system of this game. Now your ranking would not be based depending upon the number of levels you have cleared, but now the ranking would be based on the number of diamonds you have right now. So now two players may be at the same level, but it is not sure that they would be in the same rank in the leaderboard system, because one player might have used some diamonds to unlock the levels, while the other player must have used his skills to reach to that particular level. So I think this would be a fair ranking system for the player to be ranked according to the diamonds they have, and it would also utilize the diamond mechanisms in a fun way in that game. This way the player have to decide whether they are going to face the level and play it again, or they can use their diamonds to lower down their ranking, but at the same time they can proceed to new levels and they are not frustrated in the game. So that was all regarding the changes or the features that I have added in my game, and the game would be very soon releasing to the Play Store as the mobile version and to itch.io for PC version. So stay tuned by subscribing to the channel and also press the bell icon so that you are notified when I release the next video or the next devlog. The link to my Discord server would be in the description and the first comment. If you want to ask anything to me or if you want to interact with the community, you can join the server. And also the link to my game would also be in the description. You can play this game and suggest me what else I need to add in this game. And if you like this video and want more such game dev related content, you can give this video a thumbs up and you can comment your opinions down there. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, dream big, hustle hard, and keep watching the Techpreneurs.
I know I